Now we are coming to elevator. An elevator is a primary flight control surface that control movement about lateral axis of an aircraft. This movement is also referred as pitch. So either pitch up or pitch down aircraft, pitching moment is either aircraft will pitch up or pitch down from the center of gravity. Pitching moment is from center of gravity of an aircraft. So in this picture, this blue one, this is the elevator, which is attached at trailing edge of horizontal stabilizer. Now, in this picture, now we'll take number one picture. Here, elevator is up. When the elevator is getting up, the action of relative wind will create a tail down forces. If there is a tail down forces is acted, now tail will go down and nose will go up. When the elevator will up, nose up. Now, in second picture, second diagram, when elevator is getting down, the action of relative wind will create a tail of forces, or that tail of forces will cause the nose down. So elevator down, nose down. So we can say now elevator up, pitch up, elevator down, pitch down. Now, in second slide, the elevator is a primary flight control surface that move the aircraft around the horizontal or lateral axis. This cause the nose of an aircraft to pitch up or pitch down. So pitch up and pitch down is by use of elevator only. So elevator up, pitch up, elevator down, pitch down. The elevator is hinged to the trailing edge of horizontal stabilizer and typically span most or all of its width. So it's cover the all of the width of horizontal stabilizer. Elevator is operated from the cockpit by pushing or pulling the control yoke for and up. Once the control column moves forward and up, elevator will get operated. Either elevator will go up or down. When the control column will get full, now elevator is up, nose up. When the elevator is pushed forward, the elevator will get down. That means nose down. So elevator can be controlled, operated from cockpit by control stick. Movement of control stick forward and up, elevator will move up and down. This is the elevator. This figure, this is elevator. Cessna 172 Skywalk. This is the location of elevator. It's cover the complete span of the horizontal stabilizer. Now, operation of elevator. Moving the control column rearward. Elevator is up. Now we are pulling the control column. So rearward movement is pulling the control column, which result elevator position will get up. Now elevator is getting up. Once the elevator will get up, it cause that decrease the camber of elevator. Once the camber of elevator is decreased, which create a downward aerodynamic force which is greater than the normal tail down force that exit in straight and level flight, and which result tail of an aircraft will move down and nose of aircraft pitch up. In second case, moving the control column forward, elevator position down, which cause elevator camber increase, creating more lift. Now less tail down force on the horizontal stabilizer oblique elevator. This will result tail of the aircraft to move up and nose of the aircraft will pitch down. All the pitching moment occurs about center of gravity. This is all about elevator.